So welcome to Mirabelle's Forest Garden. We are doing some garden action in Zambia with our African cousins and friends. And we want to show you our space today and what we're going to do. And how much fun we had already. So last week we took care a little bit of the soil. This is a Jerusalem artichoke. It's a perennial plant that is in Mirabelle's book. It's a very cool alternative to potato, which he presented, and we planted it here. This was the last one for you to see. It's a root crop and it's very, very nice. It's also in the sunflower family, so it's gonna make nice flowers, yellow flowers. And here we can plant, close to that, we'll plant some sunflowers because the sunflowers attract birds in the garden. And we said the birds are eating pests that can affect the plants. And very important, we took a lot of rocks out of here because the soil is very poor. And one of the first things we do when the soil is poor, we did it last week. Maybe Betty can share with us. What did we do? Because we already have the results.
We were digging out and we found very interesting stuff like worms and termites. We dug a lot. It was very interesting. And yeah,
and we planted peas.
And we planted peas.
Okay, you remember why we planted peas? You can see the peas already. Let's see the peas. They're coming out very fast. We soaked the seeds, so we help them to come to sprout faster. And peas, because they are in the family of legumes, they fix nitrogen. Did you learn about nitrogen in school so far? Why it's so important? No? Okay, you learned that in biology. So basically,
the nitrogen
it exists in the air, but plants don't have the ability to fix it except in the family of legumes, because they cooperate with the bacteria in the air. Yeah. So today, we planted these peas, but we thought peas are very sweet, so they may be eaten by a lot of bugs here. So we interspaced them with plants that have very strong odors. Like one, we put dill, which is a herb. And we put calendula, which is also in Mirabelle's Forest Garden book. It's a very, very cool medicinal and edible plant. So you will see it. It's all here, coming out soon. And then on the other side, come here, we still have lots of rocks. So we're preparing inch by inch this field. We want to plant wild tomatoes. Who wants to plant the tomatoes, girls? So this is a very special great-grandmother of the current tomato. And here are the seeds. You can take them. They are very small, like cherry tomatoes, but they are more bushy. So these are the rows for the tomatoes here. You can give them a little bit of space.
Yeah.
And then we will plant some basil in between them because basil helps to keep some pests away. Some basil and chives, onions, because we want to always think companion plants as well. So you can plant them apart, like 10 centimeters apart, like this, in the rows. Maybe 2 seeds. And I'll make more rows and take the rocks out, okay? So that's about it for today. We will have to prepare the earth more. We are under a big mango tree and a pawpaw tree. So we already have some companion trees here. We just have to think vines and other companion plants that go along well. Thank you.